We've been registering and we're having a peaceful registration since morning until these Muslim men came in and they called that Harina, meaning Christians, are here gathering and doing PVC, that they should come and disrupt. So as you can see them,
let's go now.
We have to quickly leave so that we will not endanger our lives.
Please, can you check
See them.
Somebody's not.
See him. Maybe it's my dog.
Motor now.
See them. Please, let's move this thing so that we enter.
Everybody out there.
Doctor, move now.
Lock up. So you can see them. The ones with the mustache and the rest of them. They are making calls to cause crisis in Lugbe Federal Housing. And the people are upset. But for our safety, we had to leave.
Move this motor now. The person come meet us for road.
For our safety, we had to leave. So they don't want Peter Obi. They don't want Peter Obi. They know that everybody are out for Peter Obi. They don't want Peter Obi. Auntie young folk, go. So you can see. They know that people are out for Peter Obi. They want